Hi Dr. Phone fans. Today I'm going to show you how to restore iCloud backup to iPhone. Want to know how to restore iCloud backup to iPhone? Follow us and do it step by step. Go to Settings. Swipe all the way down until you find the General option. Go to the button and select Reset. Among all the reset options, select the second one, Erase all content and settings. Enter the passcode. In the pop-up, touch Erase iPhone. Again, touch Erase iPhone to confirm. Now, the white screen with the black Apple logo. iPhone is preparing to erase. Then, the black screen with the white Apple logo. iPhone is being erased. Sit and wait until it is complete. Okay, here now the welcome screen appears. The iPhone is erased. After pressing the home button, you can see the language screen. Before you go on, ensure the SIM card has been inserted in your iPhone. Now select your language, select your region, choose a Wi-Fi network through which you can access the internet, and go to the next step. Enable the location services. Enter a passcode to protect your iPhone. Let's take 1111 as an example. Enter it again to confirm. The phone is responding now. Now the long-awaited screen appears. Select Restore from iCloud Backup, and you will restore iCloud Backup in a few simple steps. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any other questions, leave them below in the comments section. Thumbs up this video if it helped you out.